So we start off today's video with this long to short transformation. And she has a really pretty hair color. So it looks like she's going to be going quite short for this one. Wow. Absolutely stunning asymmetrical pixie cuts. And the color just accents the cut so well. She looks absolutely amazing. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be looking at some inspiring May 2023 hair transformations. So if you've been thinking of doing something new with your hair, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hair options and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another pixie makeover here. This is more of like an undercut pixie shape. And then we see another hair transformation. Oh, so she went bright blonde and got an undercut style as well. What a major hair change. So next up, we have the stylist adding in some color. Oh, wow. Looks like she went with like an ash blonde. And then we move into another pixie hair change. Really like the curly texture with this one. Great option if you do have natural curly hair. Beautiful. And then we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. Stylist adds in some color. Oh, wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Perfect hair shade for the summer season. Next up, we have someone who has curly hair. Looks like the stylist did do a strand test there, and then he goes in with the color. Oh, wow. This looks like a totally different person. Beautiful, bright blonde color change. Next up, we have someone who has mid-length hair. Stylist adds some bangs. Beautiful layered haircuts. Gorgeous. Great way to add some volume to your strands. So then we have a hair transformation by two of my favorites, Philip Wolf and Alfredo Lewis. So it looks like she's getting some bangs, some color, so she's getting the full work here. Two hours of processing and reapplying. Wow. Oh. Beautiful beige blonde with the layers. This is gorgeous. So then she came back in a few weeks, wanted a bob. So this is definitely somebody that likes to have fun with their hair. They probably get bored very easily. Oh, this is gorgeous. Wow. Loving the pastel she has for the money piece highlights, and then the blonde in the back, the bob. Everything about this entire look is just gorgeous. Absolutely stunning makeover. Alright, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.